how to add appointment scheduling to your WordPress website. What's going on, guys? Jordan here. And if you want to offer a really easy way to your website visitor to schedule an appointment, maybe a coaching call, a consultation, a free strategy call, a sales calls, then I'm gonna show you how you can do this in a really easy way with WordPress and a page builder like Elementor and a free tool that I'm gonna show you in a couple of minutes. And this is going to be ideal for you if you have any kind of service business where you require a scheduling option. Like for instance, maybe you are a personal trainer, a consultant, and you have a spa, a dentist, an attorney, you name it. It's gonna be really helpful for you to provide these kind of things online. So let's take a look to what I'm gonna show you how to create today. Alright, so in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add this embed form into your website so the user have the possibility to schedule the best time and date to have a call with you. So for instance, they can click the date, they can choose the best time that you have available here and confirm and just add a few details if you want, and simple as that. They're gonna click schedule event and you're gonna receive the information on your email. Now there is also another option that I really like, that is this one, where basically you can also put some questions that's gonna help you filter that potential customers, so you don't have to be wasting your time with people that they don't have the possibility to buy your service, or they're not in that stage to get the kind of service that you provide. So I really recommend this one. I really like it. So basically you can set up a couple of questions that you consider going to help you filter a potential customer. And for instance, they can choose the options that you have, put the name, next, and the email, put something like this at gmail.com and submit. And you're gonna see that they're gonna go to the Calendly form. So I'm gonna show you how you can create this on your website. So those are my two favorite methods that I use when it comes to having this kind of option on a WordPress website. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video.
Okay guys, this is the software that we're going to use to set up the appointment option in our website. This is called Calendly. I've been using Calendly for a while now, and I really like how simple it is to set up everything, and a good part is that they have a free plan. And if you don't have money to invest right now, or you want something simple that you can use, Calendly is the perfect option to go for. Now, if you want to start, maybe you charge for consultation and you want to start receiving payments online within Calendly, you can upgrade to the pro version. But to be honest, with the free plan, you can get started pretty well. Now, I'm gonna show you a small overview on how you can set up an event here in Calendly. So first, what you have to do is create your account. Once you create your account, you're gonna be here in this dashboard. You're gonna click on create, choose event type, and choose the type of event that you want. In this case, we're gonna choose one-on-one, create, and let's complete this form. Okay, now you can select the language, okay, whatever language you want to use. Now the event name, we can put something like business consultation. The location is just basically how you're gonna have this meeting: in person, phone call, Google Meet, Zoom, and you can choose the one that you want to use. In this case, we're gonna choose Zoom, and you can link Zoom with Calendly. Just click here and follow the steps. It's really simple. Now a description, just let the user know what is the call about, what is the purpose. Okay, a simple description. And the event link, you can customize this, as you can see, and you can use this link and send it to the user as well, so they can make the appointment, right? You can also change the colors, and once you do this, you click next. Now, in this other step, as you can see, when can people book this event? Okay, we want to choose the date range. The invitees can schedule 60, or you can change this to 30 calendar days or business days in the future. This means that the user is only gonna see 30 days available, so he can set up the best day and time to have a call with you. So you have other options, but I normally use this one. Now the duration. Choose the duration that you need. How do you want to offer your ability for this event type? You can use an existing schedule, okay, or set a custom hours. This is perfect if you want to have meeting just during the week in your business days, or if you have a specific time where you want to have this type of calls, you can set up everything here. Okay, so for instance, you can choose the days that you want, okay, edit days, and you can choose that you're gonna be available between 10 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Okay, and you click apply, and you can do the same with the other days. Simple as that. Now, once you do this, you click next. Now, what you can do here is you want to set up the questions. Basically, the questions are the name, the email, or you want to ask to the user to share something that you want to know, whatever. But you can always change this, okay? You can change this, change the question, or you can add more, okay? I recommend you to add questions that can help you filter a good customer, because at the end of the day, you don't want to start wasting your time or getting into calls with people that they don't have the money, or they are not in the stage to get your service. So you can set up multiple questions, different type of questions, whatever you want, that can help you filter a good customer. So this is something I really like about Calendly. And you have different other options, but to be honest, I haven't used them. So you can just set up more questions, and once you're done, just click next. Simple as that, guys.
You can also add a confirmation page, and by default you have the Calendly confirmation page, but you can always redirect the user to any other page that you might have if you want, but for this you need to upgrade. So we're just gonna use the Calendly confirmation page. You can collect payments, but of course you need to upgrade as well. So basically that is enough for you to get started. You wanna save and close, and you're just gonna go back, or you're gonna click on home, and you're gonna see your events created here. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna show you how you can add this Calendly form into your WordPress website. And by the way guys, if you want to have this template, I have a free training that is jordanvelasquez.com/training. You can go there, you can learn how to build this template, you can know how to use WordPress, Elementor, the page builder that I use, and there I'm gonna be able to give you this template. You have to follow the instructions and you're gonna have this template. So I'm gonna show you how you can do this. As you can see right now, this is a Calendly form, and here I have the element that is a HTML element. So I'm gonna erase this, and what I'm going to do is just search for HTML again. This is the element. I'm gonna choose and drop it here. Simple as that. Okay. Now you wanna go to Calendly, and you wanna choose the Calendly form that you have built. I'm just gonna choose this one because I have the free plan available right now, so I just can use one. So you wanna click share. You wanna choose on add to website, and you wanna choose embed inline and continue, and you wanna copy all this code. Okay, I'm gonna copy this, You wanna go to Elementor, you wanna paste the HTML code here, and there you have it. Now, if you can see, we have this little scrolling bar, so we wanna get rid of that. So you have to go here in the HTML code, you wanna click on hide, you wanna put 750, okay, 750 pixels, and there you have it, it's gone. Simple as that. So right now I'm just gonna show you how you can create this other option where basically this is a form that can help you filter your potential customer, and at the end you can send that person to the Calendly form so they can choose the best type and they to have a call with you. So it's pretty simple. So you wanna click here, and as you can see, this is a form widget. So you click just form, and it's the same one, okay? This is the same form, okay? Of course, this is customized, but you can do all that and you can learn how to do all that in the training. So right now, I'm gonna click here, and as you can see, I have a step one, that is this one. What do you need help with right now? And I have the options that are this one. Step two, you're gonna click next, and this is the step two, asking for the name and the last name. And the step three, the email, okay? Super important. Always start building your audience, ask for people email addresses. So after you have your questions that's gonna help you filter a customer, you wanna go and click on actions after submit. As you can see, I have three. An email. So as soon as a person put their information, you're gonna receive an email of a potential customer directly to your email address. Now, redirect. You can choose a redirect to send the user to another page, in this case to the Calendly form. And I have the get response. This is the email marketing software that I use. So as soon as a person put their information, their email address, that email address is gonna go to my email marketing software, to my specific list that this can be potential clients to work, okay? So in email, you can put your email here where you want to receive the notification. Redirect, here is where you're gonna put the link, okay? So we're gonna go to Calendly, we're gonna close this, and we just have to copy link, go to Elementor, and paste the link. And we have get response, and just basically you have to put your API and choose the list that you want to store this information to, okay? Simple as that. So that's how you create this type of forms. Well, basically that's it, guys. That's how you add an appointment scheduling to your WordPress website. I hope that you have found it helpful, and if you want more help with this, maybe you want us to do this for you, you can go to jordanvelasquez.com/call, and let's see how we can help you out. But if you want to do this by yourself, you want to learn how to do it, as I mentioned in the video, I have a free training where you're gonna be able to learn how to do all this, how to use WordPress, Elementor, and create something amazing for your service business. So if you want to learn how to do it, you have to go to jordanvelasquez.com/trainings and start consuming the lessons that I have inside there. So basically that's it for this one. See you in the next one.